I have traction alopecia. As you can see, I am balding and thinning around the edges. In today's video, we are going to create this high puff ponytail. This is like a Afro ponytail. The first product that I like to go in with is my Shine and Jam to put my hair in a ponytail, and I will be using this dye pen right here. So I like to start off with Shine and Jam simply because it helps the dye pen to, I don't know, it just all works together for the good, okay? Like it just works together. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna brush our hair up in a high ponytail. And I'm just gonna put my hair in a little bun like so. Okay, so next I just went ahead and swooped down just a few little baby hairs right here. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like brushed up in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of my Got to Be Glued gel, and I use Got to Be Glued simply because it's going to hold the longest for me. So I am just going to just kind of swoop that like so, and swoop that like so. So now we're going to go in with our dye pen, and I will have everything linked below. This is what it looks like. Okay. And we are going to just go ahead and we are going to start where the hair is balding. And we're just going to swipe up here, and we're just going to follow in the areas where there's balding, where we want to fill in the gaps like so, and repeat on the other side. And the key to this is blend like crazy with your finger. This is what we're looking like. And this is what we're looking like. And I get a lot of questions about, is this messy? It can be. This is what it looks like. But if you take some freeze spray, I like to use my Got to Be Glued freeze spray. So this is temporary, guys. When you're ready to take it down, you can take a soapy rag and just wash this off. I am going to seal this in by adding a little freeze spray here. That's it. Now I'm just gonna mold this down for a few minutes. And the reason why I like to mold it down, because this helps to just take up some of the excess product off of the hair so that it doesn't look so blunt. And then we're going to apply, we're gonna let that sit on for about 10 minutes. And I just like to kind of press that on down because I just want that to soak up any of the dye pen. It just helps to not make it so blunt, and it kind of mashes down to the scalp, presses in with the shine and jam and everything kind of marries, and it makes it look a lot more natural. So this is a jumbo Afro puff, and it is considered large, and it is in the color 1B and a 127 mix. It is a drawstring ponytail, and so it has a drawstring that opens up like this, and this actually gets wide, so you can wear it wider if you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this on. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes, so let's go ahead and take off our strip and let it pull some of that excess product off. This is the final look, guys. Where is the bald spot? If you hadn't gotten your dye pen, you need to grab this pen. Look at this. Look at this. No glue, no added hair. Look at what this did for this bald spot. Where is the bald spot? Where's the bald spot? This keeps it from transferring the hairspray. It's not quite fully dry, but look at there. And the color being 1B and 27, it blends in with the black hair, so it all looks good. It looks cute. What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment below. Bald spot where? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.